Introduction. The return of a beast. The Mahindra Scorpio S11 Classic continues to carry forward the bold legacy of one of India's most iconic SUVs. Known for its rugged design, powerful engine, and commanding road presence, the S11 Classic is back in 2025 with enhanced features, subtle design upgrades, and the same unstoppable spirit that made it a favorite among Indian SUV lovers. Bold design with a familiar identity. The Scorpio S11 Classic maintains its muscular silhouette but now features refined elements like a signature chrome grille, LED DRLs, and sleek projector headlamps. The classic tall stance, aggressive wheel arches, and side cladding reflect its tough DNA. Mahindra has smartly kept the original soul intact while adding premium touches for a modern look. Interior comfort and features. Inside, the S11 Classic blends utility with comfort. The dashboard layout is functional, and the seats offer ample cushioning for long journeys. Key highlights include a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Bluetooth and navigation, automatic climate control, steering-mounted controls, and rear AC vents. Though it retains a rugged appeal, the cabin now feels more premium and user-friendly. Performance that commands respect. Under the hood, the Mahindra Scorpio S11 Classic is powered by the trusted 2.2 Lm Hawk diesel engine, delivering around 130 bhp and 300 Nm of torque. Mated to a 6-speed manual gearbox, the power delivery is smooth and consistent, especially suited for both city traffic and off-road adventures. The body-on-frame chassis ensures durability on challenging terrains, while the suspension setup offers a comfortable ride. Safety and reliability. Mahindra has also focused on safety in the S11 Classic. It comes equipped with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and a strong build quality that gives confidence on highways and rough roads alike. The Scorpio has always been known for its durability, and the Classic version only strengthens that reputation. Why choose the S11 Classic in 2025? For those seeking a robust, no-nonsense SUV with modern comforts and a timeless identity, the Scorpio S11 Classic is a perfect match. It's not just an SUV, it's a symbol of reliability, adventure, and Indian automotive heritage. Whether you're heading to the hills or navigating city streets, the Scorpio stands tall. Conclusion. The legend lives on. With the 2025 Mahindra Scorpio S11 Classic, Mahindra has kept the legacy alive while offering meaningful updates that matter to the modern driver. It's a machine made for those who love the road and respect the journey. Subscribe to Bikebrand Pro for more automotive updates, SUV reviews, and the latest on Indian car launches. Don't forget to like and share this video if you're a true Scorpio fan.